think I have chosen the rainiest day in May to show you my city garden. It's a small, slightly shabby garden in West London, I'm afraid, on a very rainy day. I have fake grass, I'm afraid, sorry, and some stony edges to my garden. So here it is all about the pots for me, and I've chosen the ones that have perhaps given me the most joy during lockdown, and I hope still plenty of joy to come in some of them. So let me talk you through things that really matter to me in my garden. This is my much loved olive tree that was bought for me by some friends for a rather sad occasion when my mum died, but it has brought me so much joy over the past couple of years, tending to it and trying to sort of keep it going during some very dry and difficult weather. But it's something that I've done with my own children, that we water it and tend it and look after it, and this particular olive tree has been something that has brought us a lot of happiness over recent months, and especially the past couple of years. It holds many happy memories. My mum was Maltese, so it reminds us very much of the Maltese landscape and the country and our visits there over the years. And this is my Camellia, which, although looking a bit quiet now, has budded beautifully over the winter months, and again has brought a lot of pleasure just being able to see it look so beautiful, particularly in December and January when everything's looking a bit barren. The Camellia really did flower and look gorgeous. So it's one of those wintry, all year round plants that I love to have and love to see grow. And as I keep filming through the pouring rain, these are two plants that my children have been particularly given the job of looking after. We've got a hardy red lily here, which is just beginning to flower in its pot, that my daughter has been looking after, and we're hoping that we're going to see that sort of come to life in the weeks ahead. And this is an allium that my son has been looking after. Again, there's a bud there, so it's not looking fantastic, I have to say, but we are hoping that perhaps we will see something of this in early summer. So it is all about the pots for me, and we're hoping that this sort of gives my garden a bit of life in the summer and autumn months ahead.